One of the best things about modern JavaScript frameworks like Vue is that it allowed us to take our websites and applications and break them down into components. However, as our apps and sites began to grow and scale, it is easy to fall into pitfalls that make our components difficult to manage. In this course, I'll be sharing ways for you to create components that are easier to use and manage, help you avoid common mistakes that can make components prone to bugs, and empower you to make the best architectural decisions for your app. This course will cover a wide array of best practices, design patterns, and techniques that have been developed and acquired by core team members such as Damien Dulich and myself while working on code bases and teams of various sizes. Before we progress any further, there are 3 critical things I need you to understand. 1. These are guidelines, not rules. Number 2. Your opinion and experience matters too. And number 3. At the end of the day, choose what works best for you and/or your team. In other words, if you feel that a best practice or technique is not a good fit for your app, then trust your instinct and move forward with your solution. After all, sometimes a technique, which might be considered best practice in many scenarios, can actually be an anti-pattern given a certain context. As a result, the most important thing is that you understand the potential trade-offs so that you can make the best decision possible for your code base. With that said, I look forward to sharing this knowledge with you all. See you in the course.